Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design. This video tip is slightly different. As you can probably tell from the backdrop, I'm not standing in my own garden this time. I'm out on a visiting the beautiful gardens around Arundel Castle in West Sussex. And so my thoughts today are on visiting gardens and appreciating all the work that goes into them. It's no secret that I love visiting gardens for inspiration and to learn and get ideas, of course, but also for some quiet me time to wonder and wander. This was my first visit of the year, with late daffodils, tulips just opening, and cherry blossom. All of these plants scale up fantastically, and definitely plants where more is more. A real joy of visiting gardens for me is also to see plants that I don't grow, either for space or effort reasons. Tulips massed in pots are a great example. My heavy clay soil means they'd have to be in pots, and I just don't, to be honest, have the time or inclination to plant them up and take them out and swap them every year. Possibly my favourite discovery in these gardens at Arundel is the stumpery, a huge area, carefully laid paths, upturned stumps and roots of trees, planted up with all manner of plants in a much more imaginative way than I've ever seen before. A real treat. Also, this dominating wooden pergola, stunningly planted with trained trees. The whole thing will be clothed in leaves in a month. But spring is the ideal time to appreciate the structural qualities of both, and this is certainly something that I don't have at home. Understanding the work and care that goes into creating and maintaining these gardens for me and you and the public to visit, to enjoy it every season of the year, it's worth a moment of reflection, of silent thanks to the gardeners whom I will never meet. And that thought of how much we appreciate other people's gardens may spur us on when we get home to create a beautiful garden of our own for family and friends to enjoy this summer. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.